A gentleman called me for this shower, and he said it had been done about a year ago. Looks really thin. And once again, this is an epoxy base. Nothing has been put on top of it. See how brittle? Watch. But anyway, you can see where it's cracked. All that's got to be sanded back. Anyway, I'm gonna get it fixed up for him, but just wanted to show a before, and then I will explain what was done and show an after once I'm finished up. Here is the shower completely done, and the drain, I got all that old stuff I cut off of there, but it'll go back over that drain hole right there. I went ahead and tied everything in and went around everything for him. I was just charging him for a partial, but I went ahead and did everything. I think it not only looks better, but it will tie my coating into the other and just get a good tie coat on there so nothing has a lip to it. I don't believe he'd have any problems either way, but we're talking 15 minutes difference, and I wasn't in any kind of hurry, so I didn't care. So anyway, I just do that at no charge for him. But all I was supposed to do was that floor and that right there. But anyway, got everything taken care of. I think he'll be really happy with it.